Start on your back, knees bent, arms at your sides. Pull your legs to tabletop position, tighten up through the core and go into toe taps, hinging from the hips 10 times on each side. Right into bicycle, reach those legs out long 10 times each side. And reverse. On your last one, grab onto that right knee, chin nod, lift the shoulders, and go into single leg extensions 10 times on each side. Keeping the shoulders up, hug both knees, double leg extension 8 times. Lower your head and shoulders back down to the mat and hug your knees, rocking a little bit from side to side. Extend both legs straight up, chin nod, lift the shoulders, going into scissors 10 times on each side. Here you can hold on to each leg as it comes in towards you, or you can keep your arms at your sides. Keeping the legs up, lower the shoulders, arms down at your sides, going into double leg lifts 8 times. Legs stay up on the last one, arms come up, reach for your toes.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never.
Coming through plank, repeat on the other side. Back to plank, lower to the belly with control. We're going Superman to plank for a total of 3 sets. Lowering back down to the belly, lift to Sphinx. Forearms are connected down to the mat. Elbows should be lined up beneath the shoulders. Stay long through the neck and engage through the legs. For a deeper stretch through the abdominals, and only if your body allows it, we can press up to Cobra. Pressing back to child's pose, sit the hips over the heels and release any tension in the lower back to finish up. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.